welcome to Express.com. In this video, we're going to be building this swinging door and installing these double action hinges. Also known as swinging door hinges, these hinges are designed to allow the door to swing in both directions. Now, of course, these hinges are commonly used in commercial settings, especially in the areas where doors need to swing open in both directions, such as restaurant kitchens, hospitals, and industrial spaces. Now, these hinges also can be used in residential applications, particularly in areas where there's narrow passageways or where hands-free operation is desired. Fun. Just really hoping it doesn't mess up anything. As always, thank you so much for watching Express.com. If you have any questions or you just want to like this video, subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. And until next time, we'll see you later.